I find that the palming is immensely helpful for me. Like evening and morning, I do it and I sleep better. Actually, it relaxes me. So I do a lot of relaxation type of thing. I'm wearing my glasses less and less. I have very good success with wearing my pinhole glasses, and just in general to have the support, this kind of support to believe that I am able to do this and I can improve my eyesight. And the way you are presenting it, that it's possible, and the whole atmosphere, I think it's very supportive. The emotional exercise, I found that very healing too, the letters, the release. And I have on my left eye, I have a lens implant, and but the cataract keeps returning because I have a condition called Fox syndrome. But actually, through the pinhole glasses, at first I just see that floating thing because of the cataract. But actually, I was very happy because I was able to clearly see through the pinhole glasses even better than with my other eye. And
Right.
that was just so powerful for me.